Why play it safe when you can be daring? Or should I say high maintenance? Fashion Week just became a little bit more vibrant with a twist of Japanese-inspired garments and a neon overload as designer Agapito painted the runway electric. Over the past few years, Japanese-inspired prints and fabrics have become trendy in the US. Agapito's collection is paired with more traditional floral-style prints with electrifying yellows, blues, and oranges with non-typical fabrics such as latex, faux fur, and lace. Her amazing appreciation for Japanese street culture reflects in the designs, such as her Japanese printed duster, complemented with the black faux fur trimming and her citrus colored sheer latex dress. Also seen were her body-fitted one-strap dresses, off-the-shoulder tops, and neon latex two-piece sets. Sexy and daring, she even gets us a bikini-like Japanese bottom matched with a lace-like bikini top. Agapito serves a variety of colors, but you can never go wrong with a seductive black. Her velvet black mini dress accentuates the runway with grace and elegance, braced with what resembles a Japanese samurai arm tie. It's clear this collection is inspired by the 80s and early 90s, with the shimmering spandex-like shorts and fanny pack with a Japanese floral twist. They say fashion is a statement? Well, this designer surely made a bold one.